Welcome to Nursing Study Cycle. This is Vijay Sandra, and today we will discuss about the most important topic is the classification of fatty acids. So let's start. The classification of fatty acid, it can be divided into six groups, like saturated fatty acids, unsaturated fatty acids, branched fatty acids, substituted fatty acids, cyclic fatty acids, and also the icosanoids. So they are divided into six groups. So the fatty acid actually it can be divides four types. Okay, so the fatty acid which divides four types, they are short chain fatty acids, medial chain fatty acids, and long chain fatty acids, and also the very long chain fatty acids. Why we are called as a short chain, medial, long, and very long means there is a number of carbons. Okay, so according to their length, the fatty acids which can be divided into a number of carbon atoms means suppose if it is the 2 to 3 carbon atoms present, they are called as short chain fatty acid. Okay, suppose the 4 to 12 carbons which are present, they are called as medial chain fatty acid, and 12 to 20 carbon presents, they are called as long chain fatty acid, and more than 20 carbons which is present, they are called as very long chain fatty acids. Okay, short chain fatty acid, medial chain fatty acids, long chain and very long chain fatty acids. Classification of fatty acids. So saturated is the medium chained fatty acids, long chain fatty acid, and odd number fatty acid. They are divided. So the medium chain fatty acids, their example are butyric acid, caproic acid. C4 is a butyric acid, C6 is the caproic acid. Long chain fatty acids is a palmitic acid, C16, and also stearic acid, C18. Okay, odd number of fatty acids like propionic acid is the C3. Okay, C3 is the propionic acid. See these sources of saturated means the medium chain fatty acid generally which is present in the milk. Okay, and long chain fatty acid generally present in the many tissues. Okay, many tissues. And you will see the unsaturated fatty acid. So this unsaturated fatty acid actually that can be divided into a monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid. You will see this unsaturated that can be divided into a mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Okay, so you will see oleic acid and linolenic acid and aragonite acid. Okay, these three acids. Okay, oleic acid, linolenic acid, and aragonite acid. Okay, which is present in the unsaturated. So oleic acid is the 18:1 delta 9. Okay, 18:1 comma delta 9. So 18 is the number of carbon atoms. Okay, 18 is the number of carbon atom. And we will see this one, okay, number of double bonds, and we will see this delta. Okay, in this delta is a double bond, and this is a 9. Okay, 9 is the double bond between the C9 and C10. Okay, 18 is the number of carbon atoms, 1 is the number of double bond, delta is a double bond, and 9 is the double bond between C9 and C10 carbon. Okay, C9 and C10. Linolenic acid. So in this linolenic acid is the 18:2 comma delta 9, 12 and 15. Okay, you will see this oleic acid 18:2 comma 1 comma delta 9. You will see this linolenic acid, this is a 18:2 comma delta 9, 12, 15. Okay, so in this aragonite acid is the 12:4 comma delta 5 comma 9 comma 11 comma 14. Okay, so 20:4 comma delta 5 comma 9 comma 11:14. So this is the unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, so 18 is the number of carbon bond, okay, number of carbon atoms. Okay, so this is a unsaturated. Then branched. So you will see this branched, this is a can be divided into a The examples of branched is isobutyric acid and also isovaleric acid. Okay, not only isobutyric and valeric, it's a phytanic acid also. Okay, phytanic acid. So generally I should say less abundant than the straight chain fatty acid found in sebaceous glands. Okay, so you will see this substituted fatty acid, it can be divides into a hydroxy fatty acid and also the methyl fatty acid. So example is cerebronic acid and ricinoleic acid. Okay, cerebronic acid and also the ricinoleic acid. You will see this cyclic acid like chalmogric acid. The chalmogra acid, okay, in this acid which is present in the chalmogra seeds. Okay, that's why we are called as chalmogric acid. And you will see this ecosanoids. So ecosanoids is the example are leukotriene and also the prostanoids. So these are example are leukotriene and prostanoids. Okay, so in these ecosanoids which is present in human tissues. Okay, so human tissues, ecosanoids means the derivation of 20 carbon polyunsaturated fatty acid. Okay, 20 carbon derivatives of 20 carbon polyunsaturated fatty acids. Okay, aragonide acid. Okay, this is a ecosanoids, and also this is a classification of fatty acid. So thank you for watching video, and please subscribe to my nursing study cycle, and thank you.